Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications from Pikmin Bloom on your iPhone. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you play Pikmin Bloom and you really enjoy it, but you don't want to receive all those notifications. How do you actually go ahead and turn those notifications off? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the settings option on your iPhone. Next, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says notifications, which is located above sounds and haptics. Click on that. Next, you want to scroll all the way down until you can find the Pikmin Blue game. So the Pikmin Bloom game is right over here. Click on Pikmin Bloom. And then next to allow notifications, you can see that there's a toggle button where it says, if you toggle it on, that is going to turn on notifications. But if you toggle it off, that is going to turn off notifications from Pikmin Bloom. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off notifications from Pikmin Bloom. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all.